Hello everyone, welcome back to Fundrise Finance. In the month of July, we saw the markets rebound a good 8%, which considering year to date, we have seen the market fall more than 20%. So we are able to pull back a decent chunk of it in just 1 month. It is really good to see, but that's not what we are here to discuss about in this video. We are here to see how much dividends has my portfolio generated for the month of July, how it again shows that investing discipline makes sure that your portfolio, no matter what the market does, be it up or down, just keeps churning dividends regularly, and that too an increasing dividend regularly. That snowball effect that we always talk about, it's really starting to take shape now. So without any further delay, let's just get started. Starting with my M1 portfolio, which is almost $19,000. I'm down 3.8% in this. For the last 1 month, my portfolio has returned more than 6%. So I'm really happy to pull back the losses. Looking at the dividends in the month of July, here we can see starting July 1st, Coca-Cola paying me $1.47, Genuine Parts $1.25, UGI $2.10, Kimberly Clark $1.92, VOO, the S&P 500 ETF from Vanguard paying me $2.60, HPQ $1.59, the JP ETF $6.94, VT Properties $3.13, Merck $2.22, Omnicom $2.10, Altria $4.96, Medical Properties $2.19, Leggett& Platt $2.33, Realty Income just under a dollar, WP Carry $3.06, Medtronic $1.60, then Oracle paying 75 cents. We have the yielding ETFs from Global X, QYLD paying me $2.65. But for some reason, the dividend yield from RYLD and XYLD got split up here. So RYLD you can see here 17 cents and XYLD has 5 cents. Here we can see the remainder. RYLD paying $2.54, XYLD $2.63, Cisco $1.41, Comcast $1.62, Devo paying $2.54, and Watsco 79 cents. This is my Google Sheets tracker for the M1 Finance portfolio. As you can see here, this portfolio currently yields 3.87% and gives me an annual dividend income of $733.36. Adding up all the dividends for the month of July, they come up to be $55.53. It's much better than what I was paid in the first month of last quarter, that's April, which was $51.04, which in turn was better than what I was paid in Jan, $49.17. So you can see that constantly adding to your portfolio keeps growing the dividends. From a quarterly perspective, Q3 of this year is more than 50% of what Q3 was of last year. Annual dividend wise, 2022 is already way more than what it was 2021, and I still have 5 months to go for this year. So this remaining year should really be a good one. Now this chart is where I can see the dividends growing nicely quarter over quarter. Here we can see a nice ladder thing. 21 Q3 was just $91, 21 Q4 was 136, then 170, then 177. By end of this quarter, I should see this 22 Q3 bar higher than 22 Q2. So this is what your dividends keep increasing over time, and that's what is great to see. These charts really make me feel happy. And here I can see what all dividend payments I can expect for the month of August. So I should be expecting dividends from AT&T, Verizon, Air Products, Nucor, Costco, Realty Income, AbbVie, Kinder Morgan, Morgan Stanley, Texas Instruments, Caterpillar, Citigroup, and Arbor Realty. So second month of the quarter is my typically the lowest paying month. But here I can see almost $30 in payments from just these stocks. But these are just announced dividends and doesn't include the ETFs that pay me monthly. So by the time the entire dividends roll in for the month of August, I should be seeing the value higher than what I was paid for the month of May. Then it was $41. And as we saw, just for the stocks that have announced the dividends, it's almost $30. So including all the other ETFs and stuff that pay me monthly, hopefully it's much higher than what I see for the month of May. And that should keep the ball rolling. Next comes my Fidelity portfolio, wherein I have just over $17,000 invested. Till last month, this portfolio had just over $10,000. But as I had mentioned in the last video, wherein I moved my stash portfolio, which was around $6,500, so I moved that out of stash and consolidated that into my Fidelity portfolio. So overall, this portfolio is now just over $17,000, currently yielding 2.95% and giving an annual dividend income of $510. Here we can see for the month of July, dividend payments from IDEX, HB Fuller, MSC Industrial, Pemina Pipeline, Main Street Capital, Thor Industries, Stowe Capital, Philip Morris, Packaging Corp, Horizon Technology, Franklin Resources, Federal Realty Trust, Mondelez, Amphenol, Chubb, American Tower, Main Street again. I think Main Street paid for the month of June in the first week of July. So that's why we see Main Street twice in the month of July. Iron Mountain, International Flavors, Broadridge, Best Buy, Huntington Bank Shares, C.H. Robinson, and ADP. So adding up all the dividends for the month of July, they come up to be $23.42, which is almost $4 more than what was in April. If you look at quarterly dividends, it's almost on par with what I was paid in Q3 of last year. Annual dividends wise, 2022 is way ahead of what it was in 2021. Again, this is a really good chart to look at. And this is the dividends by quarter. Again, just as we saw with the Aman Finance portfolio, even my Fidelity portfolio gives me a nice laddered growth. As you can see, each quarter is better than what it was before. Hopefully by end of this quarter, this should be more than what it was for Q2. Looking at the companies that will pay me in the month of August, I have General Dynamics, ASML, One Main Financials, Clorox, Northwest Bank Shares, National Retail Properties, Pemina, Hormel, Procter& Gamble, A.O. Smith, Abbott, Main Street, ORCC, Horizon, Paychex. Overall, it's just about $19.50. And these are just from the announced companies. Hopefully, by the end of the month, few others in the portfolio will also announce their dividends and they'll get added up. Again, just like my M1 Finance portfolio, even the Fidelity one, dividends over here are typically lower in the second month of the quarter. As you can see here, for the month of May, I was paid like $25. For the month of February, it was $23. I'm expecting for the month of August, it should be more than like $25. So hopefully it's like around 26 or something. So that will keep this streak going on. Finally, I have my Acorns portfolio, which is almost worth $3,900, which in the last 1 month has returned over 7%. That's because major part of this portfolio is into VOO, which is S&P 500. Here you can see my accounts portfolio giving me an overall yield of 2.21% with an annual income of $85.56. For the month of July, I had an $8 payment from the VOO ETF here. The one chart which I am interested really in this portfolio is the annual dividends. So hopefully by end of 2022, I see this bar getting higher than 2021. So for the month of August, there will be no payment from this portfolio because all the four ETFs here pay quarterly. And so that will be in the month of September. So for the month of August, it will be just my M1 Finance and the Fidelity portfolios carrying all the weight. So when we add up the values from these three portfolios, the overall sum comes up to be $132.35. So I can see a yield of almost 3.3% over here. And like I always mention in almost every video, constantly investing into good quality stocks will make sure your dividends will rise over time. So not only will your portfolio value get appreciated once the market bounces back, but your dividends also get increased over time. No matter whether the stock market is up or down, your dividends will keep increasing. And as you keep reinvesting those dividends, you'll reap more benefits in the future. That is what the snowball effect is all about. That's all I have in this video. Hope you liked it and found it valuable. I would really appreciate if you could hit on that like and subscribe buttons and also mention in the comments what you are investing into. How's your portfolio doing? Let's keep the interaction going on. And until we meet in the next video, let's try to do as much as possible to be financially healthy. See ya.